positive person in the world, but whenever you are hit by problems, you may find that you turn actually the most negative, or maybe you're not able to pick yourself up from where you are and you're not able to just push through the rough waves that have just gotten into your life. Hi, I am Preeti, and today we are going to discuss about how to make your life transform during your problems, or how to make your life transform using your problems. Make sure that you watch this entire video till the end to get the entire scoop. Okay, stay tuned. And you may have actually listened to like thousands of motivational videos, but you know that whenever the time comes, you are just struck by disastrous thoughts, just disappointments, and nothing positive comes up in your mind. So you know that it is you who has to learn how to transform your life. Whenever any situation comes up, usually people take that it is your karma, or it can be something that you need to bring a transformation. And in order for that transformation to happen, that situation may start getting more and more worse. Okay, so yes, so this is how we are going to take control. Okay, this is how you can take control in that situation and follow a certain steps that are going to help you to transform your life. Okay, let's get started. So now, for any situation to transform you, you need to be very, very self-aware. And that is going to be the most difficult thing, let me tell you. The first thing you need to do is, whenever you find yourself, maybe 1,000 times during the day, you may end up thinking negative. You may end up the wrong path. But at the same time, 1,000 times in a day, you may have to refocus that whatever situation comes to you, whatever situation has been given to you by the universe, it can either break you down or it can just make you like a master. You have to focus on the question, what can you do to become a master through that bad situation? That's the first thing. Okay, see, the way you question your mind, the mind is going to give you those answers. If you feel that, how miserable you are, your mind is going to give you answers to that. Oh, you are just duffer, you are this and that. But if you ask your mind positive questions, your mind is going to give positive answers. So start thinking in a way that how can you transform your life through this situation. Any situation that strikes you, you just feel you're miserable, ask that positive question. That's the first step. The second thing is, if you are all engulfed with the problem, you just have the problem thing going on in your mind, you are endlessly feeling desperate, you are endlessly feeling not exactly, you're feeling desolate, and you just feel helpless. See, till you are feeling helpless, till you have any kind of negative feelings inside you, your mind is not going to work in the positive direction. So in that case, just go to somebody who is close to you and share your thoughts and feelings with them. Try to talk it out. Okay, try to talk out what you would like to do, what you would not like to do, or maybe just describe the situation the way it is hurting you. That is the second step. The next thing is, in any bad situation, if you feel that that situation is just stuck in time, it's not going forward any bit, you actually need to do something in that situation. You need to take action. What most people feel is, they'll just be in that situation, they will just be like, very victimous, in a victim mentality. They'll just keep on praying so that God takes them out of that situation. See, God actually put you in that situation so that you can transform. Okay, God can actually give you the strength to transform, but the transformation is something that you need to do on your own. So, when you are in that situation, just waiting for something good to happen, just waiting for a miracle to happen, that won't help. You will have to take actions, you will have to do something on your own. Only then things will change. So, the first thing is you need to make a plan. You need to make a plan about how you would like to make your life, how you would like your future life to be like. So once you have the plan, start following that plan. Okay, now once you have a plan, you also need to have a backup plan. Just be very, very practical on this journey of life transformation, because sometimes plans may falter, sometimes you may have to change the plan or alter the plan. Just be prepared for it. Once you feel that a plan is good to go, start taking actions. The next thing is actions. Okay, now see, maybe in life you may have taken actions with the wisdom that you had till now, but now you need to apply a different strategy. Your life just got here because you did not take the right actions, because you did not make the correct plans. So from here, you need to stay very careful, you need to be very cautious how you step ahead, how you take the next step ahead. So in that, with the actions, you need to be careful that whatever actions you take, try to take actions for some time, then just wait, step back and see how those actions are fructifying. If you feel that the actions are bringing in good results, then keep doing them. If you feel that the actions are not reaping the right rewards, try to alter your actions, change your actions a little bit and see. Okay? The next thing is improvement. See, at every step in your life, you need to improve. Okay? You don't have to improve for anybody in this world. You have to improve for yourself. So whatever you are doing, see, whenever you want to transform in your life, if you are stuck at one place and you're not able to move further, your life is not getting better, you actually need to transform. You need to actually improve yourself from what you are at this place. So you may ask, okay, how do I do that? See, there are a number of ways of improving yourself. You need to first see what are your errors, where do you go wrong. Then you need to start searching that how you need to control that, how you need to control your anger, how you need to control your sadness, how you need to control your emotions. You need to keep a good check on that. See, try to let go what's not working. A lot of times, people, they just arrest themselves. They don't let themselves from progressing in life just because they are not letting go of something that's like already dead. Okay, if something in your life, maybe a relationship, a situation, or something, maybe some of your dreams that you feel are not working, just let go of them. Okay, and move on. Try to bring some new dreams so that you get some new motivation. Just clinging on to what's not working. See, I don't say that you just have to keep on skipping from one thing to another. You don't have to do that, okay? But here, the thing is, like, you have waited for like 20-25 years for something and it did not work out, then there's no use of clinging on to that thing. Do give it a good 1 or 2 years, but if that does not work out, move on to plan B. The next thing is, try to see what is working. Try to see what's already working and try to do more of it. Okay? You never know what is needed in the universe. Once you start doing something, maybe out of 5 things, 3 things will work, 2 will not. In that case, it's just the sign of the universe. The ones that are working, you need to keep on doing that. Okay, so the ones that are working, just keep on pushing that, just keep on doing that. The ones that are not working, just bid goodbye to that. See, emotions are something that can actually stop you from where you want to go, or you can use your emotions to actually boost you up, and it can become a propelling fuel on the path of your purpose. You need to decide how you need to use your emotions. Okay, so yes, so this is the video on how to transform your life when you're actually in a huge problem. Okay, how can you get yourself out of that problem? At the same time, you need to transform your life on a very positive note. Yeah, so that is it for today's video. If you have liked this video, hit the like button. If you feel that this video can help somebody, do share this video with those people. I'll see you again in my next video. Leave your comment. How did you like this video? Okay, so yeah, that is it for today. Keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload.